put the TV on, switch the channels around, but I can't keep my eyes on the screen. I fix myself a drink, walk through the empty room, and I wonder what your leaving has brought me. I found my evenings filled with boredom, nighttime filled with restlessness, and days are dragging on without an end. Yes, I know we've talked it over, we had it all figured out, but it doesn't work that way. I wanna see you now. Stop worrying now that you are gone. Our way of living's always on my mind. Tell me, was it all that bad? Did we have to quit? I can't imagine it was worse than this. I found my evenings filled with I'm filled with restlessness, and days are dragging on without an end. Yes, I know we've talked it over, we had it all figured out, but it doesn't work that way. I wanna see